Ener malaken yam biya kamal Nuer online TV channel. De yen dial ner yen as dial konti la roisne la kalingwa seme Nuer online TV channel. Te kon kalerm bekonaling lerme shalat. Netin kontin tamalte pinydiɛn ki CTSAM. La netin kontin shalkeno ceasefire transitional security arrangement monitoring and verification mechanism. Re which kajuba kata dan and chicken like jen will take a kur mibe to agree which castle Sudan mu teach South Sudan chicken gor no big and take a mal kamniken a jenana gor no benwa yakel ka erik kon lat ko gen which castle Sudan ka jen guasme gwayen o gender jenwa nasan kokien ka notification be adir jetwan de subscribe ko mete kaler mishi bende da chwamala shibekeje gwaye en ler bukon linga ler mugoro de ne dialde kana link kata dan en te mal ga jare ka Sudan ki te korten ga ngai kon lat korodien an walle changa jen dangro ko pay diok ron kina dangro udi jen dangro de diech ler balinga jen gwaseme ne itillo ko binas te ko re which ka Sudan chikan larno koren chitwo re which ka Nasir mi wewe niam bi Sudan baro nyok loy kor redul mishadul CTSAM ke ceasefire transitional security arrangement monitoring and verification mechanism re which kajupa kachanka walngwan kachanka ngwan kajok ala chanka wale chanka jandang ro ko paydiok mi mo wale chikan la ronena tobne lok mo kane dialen kontin laji South Sudan sirkane de kontin la bon ke partner tin kontin re wika South Sudan kata dan ande malder ben gaje en go en man togre wika Nasir nyo de je gwan go mo kuma South Sudan mu wo ka woni amlo tera kor kana kana re wika Nasir sirkman je kana lat nyo de je gwan go bi kuma South Sudan banyok kamulo ja kor she Major General Yitayel Gelau Bito Chajalat Jaramadan la Kor CTSAM re which ka juba kene de kontin ti peace ke malte pinydiɛn choraj mo chajalat gwad mi shiga dolten re which ka South Sudan che kula de wonena che gwan o dong de na me da rod lo chet ke me chito karon kin dangra wi de wal diok so na me mi chigwa en CTSAM te koraj midin mi chikana lat kana ideal te konte shamal chaja tan re which ka South Sudan lat kana no gwaye no de ne ideal ten la bon ke partne de kan malaysia tan karon kinan dangra widwal badak de kana lot chikaraj mo chikana kwen malaysia tan nyame chal ke revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict re which ka South Sudan chikaraj mo chikana kwen jan bon dial ke partner diare wi ka South Sudan ka jan gwasame chicken de la no korniam de korodian mat men dan kunna la roke je man lat ke CTSAM lat ke no nene ri ka dan chitore wi ka Nasir kana do dan an chane te kon la jas fele mayo cha ka wo yen ka jere wi ka juba kirma yadit nyu da je gwano eneme mu wo ba wo niam no no ba to go no bi South Sudan ba nyoko lo re kor ke bolo kor enamo Michigan gwich kane anyok men je ga longa jan gwasa me kane wo ba troop ke de ni wedo dien cheke de Uganda no ba ka nongre wi ka South Sudan kane namo bo ta ganis revitalized peace agreement e chatan kane kan lat re ngonte ko de chatan men chala do kirma yadit ko nong bon Uganda de ni kere wi ka South Sudan ajene nembo violation mishala no charge de lalet no mo gwi kana no mu kirwe ngodba lo le de na mo jaga kum South Sudan ko be jia ke kum South Sudan che boko chikaro je mo chikana kwen chela no ne en wo bi ne de konte la je Uganda bu tere wi ka South Sudan no mo shimo gwa der gwa en wo de kirm yadi de kan male cha tan de kan lot ka dobra yin kan lat ka ja CTSAM kan jakane dial ko de dial de ka lot nyok CTSAM joga kirma yadi den gone dungmi de yen condolence message ke message mun lo ni just lo ay kan dial kon ni yeken tesnien ka Nasir ne de la de ni kirma yadi ke de ni jan kan de kon de la Nuer ni chanak kirma yadi ke ne tin cha buke bom chal ke cluster bom dung mede yen ka jek war gante nyu do jet loiding men chod la dera go ko dong lien nong ne o bia kem one side pa yen tin ko ken temo guen gan o ken shi ne kun sit kemen chile do lat sikan gu jeno ken part ni dial de ken mission mo de ken exercise ano mite kre ke tuɔɔk de ken anyak ko de loidien dera je ka ken dial ka de no mo de kol kap teka men chala de long wa en Nasir mu kum we ngot ke me we woni am bokana ka ladana de jek ci ke civilian wa biso Sudan ba nyoglo kor medin mi chaje bu long ko dong de je long mo kap te chong ba je kwen ya ka to ngi ko do bra chaje kwen ge jam. South Sudan ceasefire monitor have warned that ongoing violation of the truce in Nasir County, Upper Nile State, could plunge the country into a full-scale conflict unless urgent action is taken. The warning was issued during the 52 board meeting of the Ceasefire Transitional Security Arrangement Monitoring and Verification Mechanism, or CTSAM. In Juba on Thursday, Major General Itayel Gellau Bitto, chairperson of the Ceasefire Monitoring Body, urged all parties to the peace agreement to engage in dialogue to ease tension, rather than seizing the opportunity for dialogue and compromise. The situation in Nasir, Upper Nile State, has become a hotspot where political conflict risks escalating into a full-blown army conflict, General Gellau said. He added CTSAM strongly urged the signatory parties to step away from the path of violence, respect the revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan, and seek peace for all across the country. The recent clash in Nasir, coupled with the government confirmation of deploying Ugandan troops, have raised concerns among stakeholders to the peace agreement. In the wake of the Nasir incident, a series of arrests targeting high-ranking government officials from SPLM-IO and general officers in Juba followed, along with the confirmation of foreign troops deployed by the South Sudan Minister of Information. These activities have caused worry among many stakeholders of the revitalized peace agreement, General Gellau noted. He called on all parties to exercise restraint during this volatile period and expressed condolence to the families of those who lost their life. CTSAM urged the signatory parties involved to exercise the highest level of restraint during this volatile period and extend its condolence to the families of all those who lost their life. We again urge for a level playing field for all actors, founded on mutual trust. Compromise and dialogue should be the way forward, he said. General Gellau also called for an immediate end to hostilities and urged all parties to ensure calm is restored in the affected areas. The warning comes amid growing fear that the fragile peace agreement in South Sudan, which has endured years of conflict, could unravel if tension in Nasir are not swiftly addressed. Jan shaling an a moment kana la no weekend no mo kum we ngot ko we ka wonyam nyo de jagwano be South Sudan ba nyogo loy kor jenamon gwaye men go relongo de lat ke jen gwa same de subscribe the notification bell de jetwan ban lerin kon tore week South Sudan ka kor kan me ban ka nyoko melin kon ke men biya ngaj entama kan kon ler mi kan ben men benung ya ka video de dien biya ngaj gwa an go kum South Sudan ga jen gwa same Ramadan en go ken la kuar tama ki Ramadan let e bol mil